The Westlake Trails is one of the biggest bang for your buck neighborhoods in Westlake Village. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass here in Westlake Village. If you like information about real estate and beautiful homes, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me share my screen and show you this beautiful home in the Westlake Trails listed by my friend Jordan Ott. All right, so you have for $3 million on half an acre. It's on two parcels, a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, just over 3,600 square foot, beautiful home. Okay, this home is an entertainer's dream home. It's as you walk in, you notice it's got 2 lots. So it's got everything you could imagine: tennis court, beautiful swimming pool. Look at this wine cellar, just amazing. Another view, aerial view of the house. Double lots, looks like there's a putting green over there. If you're into entertaining, this is an amazing deal at only $3 million, guys. You're not going to get this much land in Westlake Village anywhere else for $3 million with a 3,600 square foot home on it. Look at all the work done on the outside. Imagine the parties you could be throwing in this backyard. This is where it's at. Look at the size of this pool. It's just gorgeous. Beautifully done. Look at all that room to play around. If you've got a family with kids, you're going to be playing catch, hitting baseballs, doing it all. Look at the deck with the oak tree. Isn't that gorgeous? Tons of shade in the summertime. There's that putting green I saw. If you're into golf, which a lot of people are out here, this house has it all. Check it out. Big, long private driveway. And now you enter the home and you see fantastic finishes. Beautiful hardwood floors. Look at the detail. Just fantastic. Wet bar, beautifully done. Beams on the ceiling. I love the attention to detail when people take this much pride in their home. Look at that kitchen with the huge island. It's got the double bullnose granite in a really nice color. Very nice. Built-in refrigerator, huge one. Look at the range with the hood. And I love when you can see the swimming pool from the kitchen. If you're into cooking and have a family, then you definitely want to watch the kids while you're cooking. Look at the size of the wine cellar, guys. If you're into wine, this is the right house for you. Beautiful office and study. I love the brick floors. Reminds me of the French country. These are large rooms, guys, large rooms. I love the beams. And then the view from the deck. Here's the master bath with sauna. Beautiful bathtub. Beautiful vanity. Look at the shower. There's that sauna again. En suites in the bedrooms. This one looks like Jack and Jill style, which is great for the families with kids. Big rooms. Lots of outdoor space. Check it out. All the gorgeousness Westlake Village has to offer right here in the Trails, which is a beautiful spot. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And this could all be yours for just about $3 million, guys. If you have any interest in previewing this home, if you are qualified, please give me a call, send me an email, send me a text. I'd love to show it to you. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass here in Westlake Village. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.